Okay guys, so little intro here. Excuse me. Little intro here. I filmed this video twice because the first one that I did, I literally did both eyes, but then the footage didn't come out, like part of the footage didn't make it. But today I'm only gonna be, I did post on my Instagram story the other day on if I should recreate a look I did, and a bunch of people said yes. Like one person said no, but their account literally had no pictures or nothing on it, so I don't know. But I'm going to input the photo like right here maybe, and I'm just gonna run with it because I don't remember the colors that I used. I only know the palette and the products, but hopefully it comes out the same, if not better. But today I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. I specifically just used this palette, and then the only thing on my lid was I used the Red Label Cosmetics glitter. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to show you how to get this look just using this eye. So let's see how it turns out, because your girl was mad, let me tell you. I was already ready to export the footage and I just noticed that the clip was missing, so that is fun. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush. This is from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics with Morphe, and it is gonna be the JS5. I'm gonna take this light pink right here, and that one is called Pinkity Drinkity, I believe. Yeah. And I'm just going to buff that out towards my brow bone. And then I'm going to take a M441 Morphe brush, and I'm going to dip it into the hot pink, and I'm going to just apply it to right above the crease, and that one is called Skip. So I'm going to take it right above the crease just because I have a little bit of a hooded eye, and I'm going to blend that upward and towards the inner corner and outer corner of your eye. Next, I'm going to take this brush from Morphe, the 456, and I'm going to dip it into the purple, and that's going to be in the shade, Escape. That I'm just gonna kind of pack it on right there and just blend it towards the inner, like in the crease, towards the center. And I'm gonna take the pink brush, well, the one I used for the hot pink, and I'm just gonna blend that right there. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. blending brush, use the color Rudder, and just kind of layer that on top of the purple. The brush that we used the pink for, I'm not going to add any color on it just because I want to blend it out right there. I want to blend it out first before I add more color to it. Now we're going to pick up some of the pink and just kind of blend that out towards the brow bone. Now we're gonna cut the crease. I'm going to just be using the Jeffree Star concealer just because it's the lightest one I have, and it's gonna be in the shade C11. I'm going to be using this flat brush from MAC. I'm not sure what number it is because it's faded off already. And I'm just gonna take that. Like going above my crease just because I have hooded eyes, and if I didn't go above my crease then you wouldn't even be able to see it. Now I did go a little too far in, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take just a tiny brush and take that pink and just kind of diffuse right there just to bring color back to that inner corner. Believe me guys, my cut creases are not perfect at all. So then I'm gonna right now I'm gonna be using the Red Label Cosmetics glitter, and this is in the shade Snow Queen. I just put some right there. And before that we are going to be using the glitter base and applying that on top, and I'm just going to be taking a flat brush I'm going to be taking the one I used, which was the BH Cosmetics, and this one doesn't have a number either. I'm going to take a very tiny bit, like a little drop, just so I can apply it onto the lid where we cut the crease. And with that same brush, I'm going to dip it into the glitter and just apply that on top. Yes, like that. Since I already applied my foundation, which I don't normally do, I usually do that after, I'm going to just take a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take this one from Morphe. I use it for highlight, but it's gonna be the M501, and I'm just gonna dust off any of that glitter. It's right there. And then I'm going to use this brush for the lower lash line. It's gonna be Morphe M456, the one that we use for the outer corner, and I'm going to take the purple and the blue and apply it to the lower lash line and just blend it out. And we are almost done, finally. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna take mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara. Love this mascara. I've been using it forever, and I need to get a new one because this one's almost out. And the lashes that I'm going to be using are, that I have on my eyes, are the They're the Glambassador from Morphe. But I'm going to be taking the House of Lashes glue and just applying that on the strip. I'm gonna let this dry a little. And when your eyelashes are when the glue is a little tacky, that's when you're gonna wanna apply it. You're gonna let the glue dry a little more. Then we're gonna apply some mascara to the bottom line, to the bottom lash line. And while we're waiting, so I can pinch that together, I do have the Kylie lip kit on my lips today. I love her lip kits. I only have like 2. And that's gonna be the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like this way that I did better, if you like to see me do the eye, explain it, and then kind of just skim through the other eye, like fast forward the other eye, or if you guys like seeing the eye that I already did and then doing the but yeah, I hope you guys like this look, and don't forget to comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see any other looks, and that way I can film them for you, or let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video.